Hello friends, welcome to the channel Soft Skills by Vanna Seni. So the first reduplicative is okie dokie, means informally okay. Okie dokie, he said, adding his nod. Hurly-burly is noisy confusion. Amid the hurly-burly of the market, he lost his wallet. Super duper is excellent or impressive. This was a super duper idea. Boogie boogie means energetic dance. They danced boogie boogie all night. Lovey-dovey, excessively affectionate. Stop being so lovey-dovey in public. So friends, if you like the videos, please share and subscribe for more. Thank you.